Hey guys, welcome to Versatile Knowledge, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can export all your WhatsApp chats directly into Telegram Messenger. So for example, if you're moving into Telegram Messenger, you can actually export all your existing WhatsApp chat along with the timestamp and also the person's name on Telegram Messenger directly without any issues. Also the chats will get organized itself. You don't have to worry about it as well. So in order to export WhatsApp chats to Telegram, what you have to do is first update the Telegram Messenger from your Google Play Store. So this is just the latest update that has arrived on Telegram Messenger just a couple of days ago, and with the help of this update you can actually export the WhatsApp chats directly to Telegram Messenger. So as you can see, we have got the update over here. I'll go ahead and update the application. Sometimes the update will not actually show in your notifications. You have to go ahead and search for Telegram Messenger and update the application. As you can see, we have updated the Telegram application over here, and now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and open the WhatsApp application, and from WhatsApp we'll just check how we can export the chat. So as you can see, this is my WhatsApp chat over here, and I want to export this particular section of chat. What we'll do is just go ahead and click on the three dots menu over here and just go to more. And when we go to more, as you can see, it says export chat, and you can actually select with media or without media. Just click on include media. I just want to include media as well. As you can see in the share intent window, we will actually get multiple different options. Just go ahead and click Telegram. As you can see, it will actually ask which particular chat you want to import these messages to. I'll just click on this particular chat. Here it says, do you want to import messages to chat with the recipient person? Messages will also be imported in the current day, but also will include their original timestamp. Both sides will see the messages. Just click on import over here. And as you can see, it takes a couple of seconds. Depending upon the number of messages that you have in WhatsApp, it will actually take that amount of time, and the whole importing process will just complete in a few minutes. And just click on done. As you can see, all these messages from WhatsApp has come directly to Telegram Messenger. These messages were present on WhatsApp, right? This also has come. This particular message, this message, and this message has come. Let me go ahead and check on WhatsApp whether this particular feature has worked properly or not. As you can see, we had these many messages that was present, 1 2 3 4. All these messages have successfully come to Telegram Messenger. So this is a very cool feature, guys. If you guys didn't know about this feature, you'll have to do it right away. That's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content like this one. Thank you for watching, guys.